们今天所做的每一个抉择，采取的每一项行动，都将决定世界的未来。
Chinese President Xi Jinping delivered a special speech at the World Economic Forum's virtual Davos Agenda event on Monday. He elaborated on China's stance on how to improve multilateralism against the backdrop of the COVID-19 pandemic, as well as world economic recession. Klaus Schwab, founder and executive chairman of the WEF, spoke highly of Xi's words during the event.
The speech of President Xi Jinping was historical. 4 years after he made a famous speech in Davos in 2017, where he emphasized the need for the world to embrace multilateralism, he came back to this proposal and notion of multilateralism at a very crucial time in the history of humankind.
4 years ago, Xi made a strong case for advancing globalization and rejecting protectionism at the WEF's annual meeting in Switzerland. In an interview with Xinhua, Schwab praised Xi's commitment to act as a responsible global leader.
寒冬阻挡不了春天的脚步，黑夜遮蔽不住黎明的曙光。世界上的问题错综复杂，解决问题的出路是维护和践行多边主义，推动构建人类命运共同体。
President Xi Jinping showed us the principles how countries around the world should work together in the future based on mutual respect, based on cooperation. He also highlighted the big issues which we as a common global community have to address, namely to fight and to be able to declare victory over COVID-19, to address poverty, to make sure that we have a better integration of the developing world into global prosperity, and finally to really fight climate change and to decarbonize. So I'm sure that his speech will heavily influence all other contributions during this Davos Agenda Week in a very positive way.